In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10 just by listening music. Yeah, I know that everybody has their own style, different rhythms, different flows that we enjoy listening. But hey, why if I can tell you that there is a way in which you can make money online just by doing that? It's really easy. It's really simple. So this is a worldwide method. So it doesn't matter if you're in the US, if you're in Philippines, if you're in Pakistan, if you're in India, if you're in Panama, if you're in Mexico. This is a worldwide method. And the only thing that you need to get done in order to get paid, it's follow these steps. Okay, I'm gonna guide you step by step to make sure that you're gonna earn the most with this strategy. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna show you a full strategy, full method in which how you can make money online. It doesn't matter where you are, just by listening music. At the end of the video, I'm going to reveal another method, another way in which you can earn even more money online, because that's going to be at the bonus, but that's going to be at the end of the video. So now, guys, let me show you everything. Okay, first of all, you need to go to YouTube. Okay, you need to go to YouTube. Right now, you must be on YouTube. And now you're going to type top music. At the time I'm recording this video is 2021. Okay, so I'm going to type top music 2021. If you are watching this video in another year, maybe 2022, 2023, hey, go ahead and just change the year. Okay, so you're going to see that I have the top hits on 2021. Okay, you can even do this by month. Okay, so here we have. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be using a really cool website that is called ouo.io. Okay, ouo.io. Okay, what is ouo.io? Well, basically is one of the top 3 URL shortener over the world. Okay, you're gonna be earning big money just by sharing your links. And what's the links that we're gonna be sharing? Well, we're gonna be sharing the YouTube videos. Okay, people who are gonna be enjoying what they're listening. Okay, because it's actually music and you're gonna get paid. It's just as simple as that. Okay, keep watching this video because I want to make sure that you are gonna get the most with this and you are not gonna get like issues sharing the links and all that stuff. Okay, keep watching. Chances are that you guys are gonna be wondering like, okay, how is it's this? Well, it's really simple. You're gonna sign up. I'm gonna show you how you can do that in a moment. So you're gonna get started in actually 2 minutes. You are gonna be getting paid. If you need support, they also have support. Okay, there is a 0 payment fee. Okay, so they pay on time. They pay via PayPal, via Payoneer, via Payer, Bitcoins. Okay, so there are several ways in which you guys can get money with this. Okay, so that's the reason why it's actually worldwide. Hey, Diana, I cannot withdraw the money from PayPal. Hey, go with Payer. Okay, go with Bitcoin. If you have a Payoneer account, go with Payoneer. Okay, they pay 2 times per month, which is amazing. They pay on the 1st and on the 50th. Okay, once you reach the minimum. Okay, cool. What's the actual minimum? Let me show you. The actual minimum, okay, remember, there are 4 payment methods: PayPal, Payer, Payoneer, and Bitcoin. Okay, for PayPal, the minimum withdrawal it's $5. The same with Payer. If you want to go with Payoneer, it's $50. Not because they want to, but that's the minimum that Payoneer has. If you go with Bitcoin, the minimum it's $20. Remember that Bitcoin sometimes they do have really high fees. Okay, Okay, cool. This sounds amazing. how do I get paid with this, keep showing me everything. Okay, let me show you how much money you can actually make with this. Okay, so they're gonna be paying you guys for every 1,000 views. Okay, this is worldwide. It doesn't matter where you sharing link, which country is the person. Okay, for example, if you get visitors from Australia, you're gonna get paid $5 for every 1,000 views. And trust me, guys, 1,000 views, it's not a ridiculous amount. It's actually really, really small. Remember, there are millions of people, using the internet every single day. Diana, what if I'm not, getting people from Australia? I'm getting people from other countries. Well, you're going to be paying $1.50. Okay, $1.50 if you get people from some countries that are not listening here. Okay, so this is actually a great way to make money online. Okay, if you're ready to join, you're going to click here where it says sign up free. Okay, and you're going to land on this page. On this page, they're going to ask you for a username, a valid email address, and a password. That's it. You're going to click here where it says sign up. That's the only thing that you need to do. And you're going to be registered. They're going to send you an email just for verification purposes, just to make sure that that's a valid email address. That's it. Again, once you log in, your account is going to be, it's going to look something like this. Okay? You're going to click here where it says new shorter URL. Okay? This is where you're going to be clicking. Okay, so let's say that I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to copy the link address. Okay, right click, copy link address. And I'm going to paste it here. Okay, then I'm going to click on this icon. And this is the actual link that I'm going to be, sharing. Diana, what happens if I have a lot of links that I don't remember? Okay, no worries. You can click here where it says links. Let me refresh this because I have been using this in the past. Okay, and you are going to have all the links that you created here. Okay, so you just need to copy it and that's it. Since there are a lot of people using this website, ouo.io, okay, chances are that sometimes the social medias don't like them. So there is a workaround, okay? There is a workaround. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up because that's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Also, please let me know what's your favorite type of music. Maybe you like classical music. Maybe you like reggae. Maybe you like techno. Leave it in the comment area. I'm actually really curious. Okay, as I mentioned, there are some people who are like, okay, I like this. I'm going to be sharing this. This is awesome. This is cool. Yay, yay, yay. But when you try to to share those links, for example, on Facebook, Instagram, social networks, they don't like this. Okay, so there's a workaround. You can go to Linktree. Okay, Linktree is basically a way in which you're going to have just one link and you're going to add all the links over there. It's free. You just need to click here where it's get started for free. It's going to ask you the same, a username, a valid email address, and a password, and you're going to have it for free. Okay, this is how the, your account is going to look like when you're starting from scratch. You don't have any emails. You're going to click here where it says add new link. Okay, what we're going to be doing? Well, we are going to be adding a title and adding the URL. Diana, I don't know. I don't have any idea about the title. Hey, you just need to go to YouTube and copy this title. The URL that you're going to copy is this one that you have here on links. Okay, is this one. Click here where it says copy. And that's it. Okay, you're going to have the title here and you're going to have the URL here and you're going to enable it. If you don't like it, if people are not actually clicking, because you're going to be able to see check on the stats, you can delete it and you can replace the links. Okay, that's a great way, and you're gonna have your own Linktree URL. Okay, which, by the way, social networks love, so you're not gonna have any kind of problems. By the way, guys, at the beginning of the video, I told you that, this is a cool way in which you can make money online. It's working worldwide, but chances are that you're looking for a more passive way to make money online. Maybe you're looking to make money while you travel, making money while you're asleep, making something different. If that's you, okay, I'm gonna leave a link below so you can discover what's my #1 recommendations to make money online so you can fire your boss. So if you are ready for that, click the very first link in the description. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, remember, give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. If there is someone out there, who might be enjoying, making money while listening music, okay, share them, your Linktree. Make sure that they're going to click it. And by the way, if you already created, leave it in the comment area so others can click on your link and we can help each other grow. And share it with your social networks. If they ask you like, hey, this is actually really cool, you can let them know like, hey, this is a strategy in which you can actually earn money online. Okay, so this is it for this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.